In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video in Microsoft Forms. Whether you're looking to enhance your form with engaging content, or simply wanting to provide more context with visual aid, incorporating videos can be a valuable addition to your surveys or quizzes. Let's walk through this process, step by step, ensuring that you can easily and efficiently integrate video into your Microsoft Forms. Firstly, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and search for Microsoft Forms. It's a straightforward start to get you to the platform where all the magic happens. Once at the Microsoft Forms homepage, go ahead and sign in using your credentials. Make sure you have the necessary access to navigate through your forms, as this step is essential to proceed. Once you're logged into Microsoft Forms, locate the specific form you wish to edit. This will be the central workspace where we'll be adding our video. Open the form and focus on the specific question where you want to insert the video. This targeted approach keeps everything organized and ensures that your content is directly linked to the relevant question. Next, look for the Insert Media icon. This icon can be identified as a small picture on the right side of your question box. When you locate it, give it a click. This action will open up the Insert Media panel, bringing you closer to embedding your video content. In the Insert Media panel, you'll see several options, but for this task, select Video. With this option chosen, you're now ready to fetch your video link. Depending on where your video is hosted, the following steps may vary slightly. If your video resides on YouTube, navigate to your desired video, click on the Share button, and then copy the provided link. It's as simple as that. Alternatively, if your video is hosted on Microsoft Stream, head over to your video on the platform, click Share, and copy the link. Keep in mind that if you're planning to share the form with external users, it's important that the video is shared from a public SharePoint or OneDrive link. This ensures that all intended viewers can access it without restrictions. Once you have the URL, return to the Microsoft Forms panel and paste the URL into the designated field. After pasting the URL, click the Add button. You'll notice that the video is seamlessly incorporated into your form under the specific question you selected earlier. Now, your respondents will be able to view the video while answering the related question, adding an interactive dimension to their experience. And that's it! You have successfully added a video to your Microsoft form, enhancing its appeal and communicative power.